friends, today I'm going to show you an extremely popular Maharashtrian side dish called Hirvi Mirchi Thecha. This is an extremely spicy dish but yet so delicious and absolutely mouth-watering. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 10 to 15 big green chilies about the size of my palm. These are Thai chilies, but you can also use the small ones that you get, just increase the quantity. About 20 to 25 cloves of garlic, some dry coconut slices, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, salt to taste, and some hing. Now first we are going to chop the garlic cloves into small pieces like these, and chilies too into small pieces like these. Now take a small to medium sized wok. If you have a cast iron one just like mine, always great, but if not, use a regular one and add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Put the flame to medium high. As the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic pieces. Saute them well. Keep stirring them on a medium-high flame. Gradually you'll notice that the color of the garlic starts to change. So keep turning and tossing them. Notice the change in color. We are going to fry them for some more time, about 5 to 7 more minutes, till they kind of all the pieces turn the color. Now they are done, we are going to take them out in a plate. Such a nice aroma and they are well roasted. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil to the wok. We are going to fry the chopped chilies now, so once the oil is hot, drop in the chilies. Saute the chilies. Be sure to open the windows as you fry the green chilies, since the green chilies give out a strong aroma. We are going to roast the chilies for a total of about 10 to 12 minutes, and while you do that, notice that they kind of shrink a little bit as well as change the color. Now they are well done, we'll take it out in the same plate. The chilies and garlic are now well roasted. Next up, we'll now roast the coconut slices. Add them to the hot wok and roast them for about 5 to 7 minutes. If required, add about a teaspoon of oil. In a minute or two, you will notice that they start to change the color. Keep tossing them and saute them well. As they are completely kind of golden brown, take them out in a plate. Now keep these roasted ingredients on the side and let them cool down. We are going to take a grinder, and once they have cooled down, we are going to make a coarse paste of these roasted ingredients. So I've taken the smaller attachment of the grinder just because I don't want it to give more space, since we are going to grind them without adding any water. So the little the space, the more it's easier to get that coarse paste. Now take out this coarse paste in a bowl. Take the same wok and put it on a medium-high flame. Once it's hot, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. As the oil heats up, add the 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once they start to crackle, add the hing. Give it a quick mix, and now we'll add the coarse paste. drop in all of that coarse paste that we made, and we are going to mix it really well. Coat all those cumin seeds and oil with the coarse paste. Now add the salt. Mix well. We want to make sure that the salt spreads in the theca evenly. So it will take about a minute or two. Switch off the flame. The theca is now ready. Let's take it out in a bowl. Enjoy this Hirvi Mirchi Thecha with the Tandlachi Bhakri soon coming up on my channel, so stay tuned. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.